Alright, they have bush daisies, annuals, and blue-eyed beauty African daisies. Nothing else. It's really empty in here. Nothing surprisingly. Have some grass. Oh. Full shade. Just needs to be pruned back because let's see, this is summer. So those little white flowers, they bloom in the summer. 6 to 12. Hi. Oh, it looks like they're bringing more. They're bringing more. That's why I like coming in the morning, because that's when they're deciding to bring which plants. That's an annual. Oh, the poor succulents. They always sit those back there. Oh, it looks like these are going to be half off. The cypresses. All right. And here we are. Succulents, cleaning them out. Nice. There's a pretty cactus. Oh, this is such, I love when they have little cute things. I may just get that since it has a little birdhouse. You all know, oh, that's a pretty color. I don't have that color. I love containers. Right. Lowe's plant haul. So I'm going to add this grass into my cart. Get that little succulent container, and I'll have to add a hole at the bottom there. But that's my color. All right, let me grab these. All right, I'm back home now. Let me show you all what I bought. First, we have here corbels. Corbels turned out to be $3, half off from $6. Corbels are good in shady spots. I'm going to clean these little leaves up here, prune back, because these will regrow, and then they put out, let me see if I can find, they put out these little pretty flowers here, and they'll come back this summer. So I'm going to clean these up. And as you see here, I put this one inside of this pot. I'm going to prune this back, take off these flowers, and give it time to rebloom during the summer. Shady spots, remember. I also found these fiber optic grasses. Got these for $3 also. Anything under $8 is $3. These grasses, they already bloomed, which most likely mean that they had them in a greenhouse. But I'm going to prune these back and give it time to give me back those white little pebbles. And this is fiber optic grass. Do well in shaded areas also. So I'm going to plant all of these together right here. I'm in love with pots, so they know when I come in. Sometimes I'm just picking up succulent pots, and then if there's no plant in them, she'll give it to me for $1. With the plant that was $5. $5. Because I want this to be colorful when I'm done. So as you see, I'm collecting different colors. Oh, so for instance, I'll take this green. It'll look better in that one instead. that, and then I have one here. But that, yeah, they fit right on in there. Because I didn't know when I was buying the individuals that I could have put them inside of a pot. So it's not like I'm trying to get over anything. I'm just trying to make up for the ones I never got pots for. Okay, besides that, I just added some succulents, which I hadn't seen the white and green succulent there. And I don't know the names of it. I'm new to succulent gardening. I'm an outside gardener, as you see. But this is also fun. And I have my entire shelf out here because I get no sunlight on my porch. I get no sunlight on my back porch. But this is the only area that gives covered sunlight, which means I have oak trees around so the sun comes and goes throughout the day. Last but not least, I love this color, so I was sold when I seen it. More succulents that I don't have inside of here. And then I'll plant a hole in the bottom for drainage. This was $20 originally, as you can see there, but I got it half off for $10. So that is my today's plant haul. Get out there. My store is Lowe's. Your store can be any store. And I plan on going to more nurseries. So stay tuned for my nursery hauls. All right. Bye-bye. This is the after. Pot at Walmart. Geraniums. And here we have the prune.